3 things your 3D printer should have. So number 1 is Octoprint. Perfect for those not so smart printers, like mine. It allows you to monitor and control your printer from anywhere. That is, if you have the correct plugins. Here are mine. Coming in at number 2 is the Smart Plug. Not just a game changer, but a time bender. Keep tabs on your energy usage, and with a simple tap on your device, power up your printer and Raspberry Pi. Imagine starting a print while you're at work and returning home to a finished masterpiece. Fun fact, according to Google, about 2 million people use 3D printers. With the help of Octoprint and the camera stream, you can remove prints from the build plate. You can literally use up your entire spool without ever being near your printer. And those are